So just got back from Home Depot. They're having a great deal, 5 for 10. So whether it's the Miracle Grow soil or the Scott's mulch, any color. So my project today, really good deal. They're having like a Black Friday spring sale or something. I don't know. It's kind of bizarre. I'll put it up on the screen. And of course, the other day I went and I didn't get the deal. And now all of a sudden, see, every day it changes. That's why you got to keep up on this stuff. Plan on redoing this. Hold on, let me just show you. So I purchased something bigger. There it is. On that side, also bought these guys $3.50. I think that's a little high. I have to fix a spot up there. So I got the soil. I'll probably put some mulch also on that side a little bit. But this guy is 60 feet, more than what I need, which is great because it is big. And what I'm planning on doing is replacing the small thin one. I think I want to go taller. Here. So that's much taller, as you can see, than what I have. Like really thin. Plus what I didn't like is kind of my fault too. I didn't probably put enough stakes. It kind of got a little wavy. So on this one I'm going to make sure. Yeah, see some of the spots I didn't put it. It got wavy. And then I have to, you know what, I didn't take into consideration too. The lawnmower going by it or whatever else. I probably could have fixed it, but I do want it to be taller. Also, I've cleaned all these out, everything. All these out, I shook them out, I cleaned them out, got rid of the mulch in here. I'm still not sure. I'm thinking about doing maybe something strange where I'm going to cut these up, go straight, right? Have black rock in the middle on each one of them, but put mulch around the tree just in little bits. I'm not sure. I don't know. Oh, I forgot to clean this part. Darn it. Or unless the lawn guys did something here. Yeah, I got to clean this spot. But I am thinking about maybe doing that to where, you know, some of the black rock will be easier because, you know, when you blow this stuff, it just gets all over the place. Especially the mulch. It just doesn't hold down enough. So that's the project for today. And also, like I said, I want to cover up these bare spots over here with those little guys I just bought for $3.50 a piece. Pull out a couple of those weeds. I see a couple more weeds in there. Here's some of the soil. So that's the project for today. Always a project at Template Ad Builder, as I call it too, Garden Ad Builder.